Welcome friends. This is first series on India Post Annual Report 2020 and 21. This is a new book released very recently. This is very useful material for all department exams starting from MTS to PSS Group B. Hence we have taken much care in preparing this video and we are releasing in 3 volumes. So please watch all the volumes so that you can get immense knowledge about the annual report 2020 and 21. Thank you. Question number 1. Total number of post offices in India as on 31/3/2020. Option A 1,56,721. Option B 1,55,660. Option C 1,59,721. Option D 1,56,660. So the correct answer is option A 1,56,721. Question number 2. When the first post office established in India? Option A 1975, option B 1972, option C 1727, option D 1772. The correct answer is option C 1727. Question number 3. Where was the first post office established in India in 1727? Option A Mumbai, option B Delhi, option C Kolkata, option D Chennai. The correct answer is option C Kolkata. Question 4. Match the following. GPO started in these places. Places Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai. Year 1793, 1774, 1786. Option A 1B 2A 3C. Option B 1C 2A 3B. Option C 1A 2B 3C. Option D 1B 2C 3A. The correct answer is option D. 1, that is Calcutta, established in 1774. 2. Chennai, established in 1786. 3. Mumbai, established in 1793. Question number 5. When was the modern day postal system was started in India? Option A 1854, option B 1584, option C 1784, option D 1774. The correct answer is option A 1854. Question number 6. When was the railway mail service started in India? Option A 1854, option B 1584, option C 1784, option D 1774. The correct answer is option A 1854. Question number 7. Total number of urban post offices as on 31/3/2020. Option A 1,56,721. Option B 15,703. Option C 25,409. Option D 1,41,018. The correct answer is option B 15,703. Question number 8. Total number of rural post offices as on 31/3/2020. Option A 1,56,721. Option B Option B 15,703. Option C 25,409. Option D 1,41,018. The correct answer is option D 1,41,018. Question number 9. Total number of departmental post offices as on 31/3/2020. Option A 1,56,721. Option B 15,703. Option C 25,409. Option D 1,41,018. The correct answer is option C, 25,409. Question number 10. Total number of branch post offices as on 31/3/2020. Option A, 1,56,721. Option B, 1,31,312. Option C, 2,45,141. Option D, 1,41,018. The correct answer is option B, 1,31,312. Question number 11. Total number of departmental employees as on 31/3/2020. Option A, 1,56,721. Option B, 1,70,942. Option C, 2,45,141. Option D, 1,41,018. The correct answer is option B, 1,70,942. Question number 12. Total number of Grameen Dak Sevaks as on 31/3/2020. Option A, 1,56,721. Option B, 1,70,942. Option C, 2,45,141. Option D, 1,41,018. The correct answer is option C, 2,45,141. Question number 13. Shri Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India, released customized My Stamp on model of Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Temple Ayodhya on dash at Ayodhya, Uttar Pradesh. Option A, 15th August 2020. Option B, 26th Jan 2020. Option C, 1st August 2020. Option D, 5th August 2020. The correct answer is option D, 5th August 2020. Question number 14. The award dash in the category of excellence in digital governance being conferred on Department of Post by President of India Shri Ramnath Govind on 30th December 2020. Option A, Golden E-Governance 2020. Option B, Digital India Gold Award 2020. Option C, Make in India Gold Award 2020. Option D, United India Gold Award 2020. The correct answer is option B, Digital India Gold Award 2020. Question number 15. Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu, Vice President of India, released virtually a commemorative postage stamp on 4th December 2020 in honor of former Prime Minister of India Shri Dash on his 101 birth anniversary. Option A, Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Option B, Shri H.D. Deve Gowda. Option C, Shri P.V. Narasimha Rao. Option D, Shri I.K. Gujral. The correct answer is option D, Shri I.K. Gujral. Question number 16. On an average, a post office serves dash people in the country. Option A, 8,605. Option B, 6,301. Option C, 29,299. Option D, 25,409. The correct answer is option A, 8,605. Question number 17. On an average, a post office serves dash people in rural areas in the country. Option A, 8,605. Option B, 6,301. Option C, 29,299. Option D, 25,409. The correct answer is option B, 6,301. Question number 18. On an average, a post office serves dash people in urban areas in the country. Option A, 8,605. Option B, 6,301. Option C, 29,299. Option D 25,409. The correct answer is option C 29,299. Question number 19. Average area served by the post office is dash square kilometer in the country. Option A 20.98, option B 20.99, option C 21.98, option D 21.99. The correct answer is option A 20.98 square kilometer. Question number 20. In the year dash, the first ever adhesive postage stamp in Asia was issued in Sindh province. These stamps subsequently became famous as Sinde Dock. Option A 1854, option B 1852, option C 1899, option D 1952. The correct answer is option B 1852. Question number 21. On 18th February 1911, the world's first airmail flight took off from dash to dash. Option A Mumbai to Thane, option B Allahabad to Naini, option C Mumbai to Kolkata, option D Allahabad to Thane. The correct answer is option B Allahabad to Naini. Question number 22. The first postage stamp in India which is valid across the country was issued on dash. Option A 1st October 1854. Option B 1st October 1852. Option C 1st October 1964. Option D 1st October 1954. The correct answer is option A 1st October 1854. Question number 23. The Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme was launched in India on dash. Option A 1st February 2006, option B 2nd February 2006, option C 3rd February 2006, option D 4th February 2006. The correct answer is 2nd February 2006. Question number 24. India Post products and services will be the customer's dash choice. Option A best choice, option B only choice, option C instant choice, option D first choice. The correct answer is option D first choice. Question number 25. As per Article 246 within bracket 1 of the Constitution of India, the Parliament has exclusive power to make laws with respect to any of the matters enumerated in the List 1 or the Union List in the 7th schedule. Communication is listed at entry number dash of List 1 of the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India. Option A 21, option B 31, option C 41, option D 51. Option C. The correct answer is option B 31. That is, the communication is listed at entry number 31 of list 1 of 7th schedule of Constitution of India. Question number 26. An amendment in section dash of the Indian Post Office Act 1898 was approved by Parliament through Financial Bill 2017. Option A 1, option B 3, option C 4, option D 7. The correct answer is option D 7. Question number 27. Through Financial Bill 2017, whereby the powers to modify rates and tariff of basic postal services contained in the first schedule of Indian Post Office Act 1898, which was earlier with the Parliament, has been delegated to the dash. Option A Secretary of Department of Post, Option B, Postal Service Board of Department of Posts. Option C, Ministry of Communication. Option D, Cabinet Ministers of Union Government. The correct answer is option C, Ministry of Communication. Question number 28. Dash is the Minister of Communication during 2020 and 21. Option A, Sri Sanjay Dhotre. Option B, Sri Ravi Shankar Prasad. Option C, Sri Arun Jaitley. Option D, Srimati Nirmala Sita Raman. The correct answer is option B, Sri Ravi Shankar Prasad. Question number 29. Dash is the Minister of State for Communication during 2020 and 21. Option A, Sri Sanjay Dhotre. Option B, Sri Ravi Shankar Prasad. Option C, Sri Arun Jaitley. Option D, Srimati Nirmala Sita Raman. The correct answer is option A, Sri Sanjay Dhotre. Question number 30. The dash is the apex body of the Department of Post. Option A, Directorate. Option B, Dak Bhavan, New Delhi. Option C, Secretary Post. Option D, Postal Service Board. The correct answer is option D, Postal Service Board. Question number 31. Postal Service Board comprises of the Chairperson, Director General of Postal Services, Additional Director General Coordination and dash members. Option A 5 members, option B 6 members, option C 8 members, option D 10 members. The correct answer is option B 6 members. Question number 32. Dash heads the internal financial wing of Department of Posts. Option A Secretary Post, option B DG Post, option C Additional Secretary and Financial Advisor, option D Member DBT and Banking. The correct answer is option C Additional Secretary and Financial Advisor. He is also a permanent invitee for Postal Service Board. Question number 33. Total number of postal circles in India. Option A 23, option B 25, option C 26, option D 28. The correct answer is option A 23. Question number 34. Apart from the 23 circles, there is a separate wing called the Army Postal Services to take care of postal needs of armed forces. The APS is designated as another circle called the dash circle. Option A Army Circle, option B Defense Circle, option C Commandant Circle, option D Base Circle. The correct answer is option D Base Circle. Question number 35. Number of postal training centers in India. Option A 5, option B 6, option C 7, option D 8. The correct answer is option B 6. Question number 36. Total number of general post offices, that is GPO, in India. Option A 22, option B 23, option C 24, option D 25. The correct answer is 24 GPOs are there in India. Question number 37. Total number of head post offices in India as on 31/3/2020. Option A 710, option B 810, option C 910, option D 1010. The correct answer is option B 810. Question number 38. When was the speed post service started in India? Option A August 1986, option B August 1996, option C April 1946, option D April 1966. The correct answer is option A August 1986. Question number 39. Android based mobile app developed by CEPT through which tracking of article, calculating the interest rate, etc. can be done. What is the name of the mobile app? Option A InfoPost, option B India Post, Option C, Post India. Option D, Post Info. The correct answer is option D, Post Info. Question number 40. Maximum amount for which speed post can be insured is option A rupees 10,000, option B rupees 1 lakh, option C rupees 10 lakhs, option D rupees 1 crore. The correct answer is option B rupees 1 lakh. Question number 41. As per the India Post Annual Report 2020-21, whether there is increase or decrease in speed post traffic and revenue for the year 2019-20 when compared with previous year, that is 2018-19. Option A, abnormal increase. Option B, normal increase. Option C, neutral. Option D, declined. The correct answer is option D, declined. The revenue and traffic both declined compared with previous year. Question number 42. Postman mobile app developed by option A, Infosys, option B, TCS, option C, CEPT, option D, SIFI. The correct answer is option C, CEPT, Mysore. Question number 43. The Department of Post has implemented electronic clearance of letterboxes through in-house developed dash software. Option A, e-clearance software. Option B, Nanyata software. Option C, LB clearance software. Option D, Manyata software. The correct answer is option B, Nanyata software. Question number 44. Three new products of UIDAI, that is Order Aadhaar reprint letters, address validation letters, and Order Aadhaar cards, that is PVC cards, are being delivered to the recipient by the Department of Post through dash across the country. Option A, ordinary post. Option B, registered post. Option C, book post. Option D, speed post. The correct answer is option D, speed post. Question number 45. Mail motor service came into existence in the year. Option A, 1944. Option B, 1954. Option C, 1964. Option D, 1974. The correct answer is option A, 1944. Question number 46. Mail motor service uses the below given technique for effective monitoring of the movement of MMS vehicles. Option A, mail guard to each vehicle. Option B, adopted drone technology. Option C, adopted GPS technology. Option D, migrated to CSI platform. The correct answer is option C, adopted GPS technology. Question number 47. The main CSI application which is used by mail officers for their routine work. Option A, ESS. Option B, MSS. Option C, LSS. Option D, IPVS. The correct answer is option D, IPVS. Question number 48. In order to monitor the movement of ordinary articles, department introduced option A, CSI, option B, DPMS, option C, barcode label for articles, option D, barcode labels for bag. The correct answer is option D, barcode labels for bag. Question number 49. There are 17 full-fledged MMS workshops in India and dash numbers of MMS unit in India serving across country for smooth running of MMS vehicles. Option A, 28, option B, 53, option C, 103, option D, 153. The correct answer is option C, 103. Question number 50. Rakanpa is named after option A, Rama Anthony Kabir, option B, Rajaram Mohan Roy, option C, Rajneesh Akbari Kader, option D, Rafi Ahmed Kidwai. The correct answer is option D, Rafi Ahmed Kidwai. Thanks for watching Study Room. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed already. You are watching the first series of India Post Annual Report 2020-21. Two more series are there. Please watch all the series to have full control over the subject Annual Report 2020-21. Thank you, friends.